Hello students, welcome to online classes of Sunstar Global School. I am Ramesh Sharma. Today I am going to start revision of general knowledge. Let's start with filling the blanks. See the first question, we have two options, no and no. Both are homophones, so we will have to choose one for each sentences. So first of all, do you dash how to swim? So the right answer is no. Okay, the first one. Now the sentence is, do you know how to swim? Clear? Now second, we could not eat ice cream as we had dash money left. You know that this first one is not suitable for this sentence, so the right answer is no. We could not eat ice cream as we had no money left. Clear? Now second, for and for. Again same. First question is, we are dash members in a team. Okay. The first option is FOR, but the right answer is FOUR. Now the sentence, we are 4 members in a team. Clear? Now next, I have bought a gift dash my friend, hope he likes it. So answer is for. Now read the sentence, I have bought a gift for my friend, hope he likes it. Clear? Now next, based on capital of different countries, first one is capital of Pakistan. So capital of Pakistan is Islamabad. Islamabad is the capital of Pakistan. Now next, capital of Bhutan. So capital of Bhutan is Thimphu. Okay, Thimphu is the capital of Bhutan. Now next, capital of Nepal. So answer is Kathmandu. Kathmandu is the capital of Nepal. Next, capital of Bangladesh. The capital of Bangladesh is Dhaka. Now capital of Pakistan is Islamabad, capital of Bhutan is Thimphu, capital of Nepal is Kathmandu, capital of Bangladesh is Dhaka. Clear? Now next point, match the following. Country name is given and their currency is given. So now match the right answer. So first one is Bangladesh. Currency of Bangladesh is Taka. Yes. So the right answer is Taka in front of Bangladesh. Now currency of Myanmar. The currency of Myanmar is Burmese Kyat. Is the currency of Myanmar. Okay. Now what is the currency of China? See, we have two options now, renminbi and Nepalese rupee. So I think best one for Nepal is Nepalese rupees. So only one is left, that is renminbi. So now it's clear that currency of Bangladesh is Taka, currency of Myanmar is Burmese Kyat, currency of China is renminbi, and currency of Nepal is Nepalese rupees. You can write the answer like this also. Now it is 2, if it is 1, 2, 3 and 4, then 1, second is this, now third is this, and the last 4. Clear? Now next, highest rank in Indian Army, highest rank in Indian Navy, highest rank in Indian Air force. So which is the highest rank in Indian Army? So answer is Field Marshal. Field Marshal is the highest rank in Indian Army. Okay. Now, highest rank in Indian Navy. Answer is Admiral. Admiral is the highest rank in Indian Navy. Clear? Now, next, highest rank in the Indian Air Force. So, answer is Air Chief Marshal. Air Chief Marshal. So, now, is it clear? Highest rank in Indian Air Force, Air Chief Marshal. Highest rank in Indian Navy, Admiral. Highest rank in the Indian Army, Field Marshal. Clear? Now, find the name of the state with the help of given clues. See, the first question is dance is Ghumar, food, katte and ghevar, art and craft, carpets and daris, dresses, ghagra and choli. So, question is find the name of the state. So, with the help of given clue, you can say these, like dance is Ghumar, ghevar and gatte, carpet and dari, ghagra and choli. These are famous in Rajasthan. So the Rajasthan is the answer of this question. Clear? Now next, dance, Kathakali, food, Idiyappam with curry, art and craft, coconut shell handicraft, dresses, Mundu and Mundam Neriyathum. Now again give the name of the state. In which state these are famous? So the answer is Kerala. Clear? Now next, food, khar, dance, bihu, art and craft, cane and bamboo, dresses, dhoti and gamcha. So give the name of state. With the help of these clues, the answer of this question is Assam. Clear? Now, next topic is women achievers. So, first question is first woman IPS officer. Answer is Kiran Bedi. Kiran Bedi is the first woman IPS officer of India. Okay. Now, second, first woman president of India. I think you know that. Pratibha Patil. Pratibha Patil. Mrs. Pratibha Patil is the first Indian woman president of India. Clear? Now, first Indian woman who won the Nobel Peace Prize. Answer is Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa was the first Indian woman who won the Nobel Peace Prize in 1979. Okay. Now next, first woman Prime Minister of India, Indira Gandhi. Indira Gandhi. Indira Gandhi was the first woman Prime Minister of India. Is it clear? Now next, first woman train driver in 1988. Who was the first woman train driver? So the answer is Surekha Yadav. Surekha Yadav was the first woman train driver in India in 1988. Clear?